Hey there, YouTube enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful. How to add family members to your YouTube Premium account in 2025. If you've got a family plan and want to share the ad-free goodness with your loved ones, you're in the right place. This process is quick and straightforward, making it easier than ever to enjoy premium features together. First off, let's quickly cover what YouTube Premium is all about. It's that awesome subscription that gives you ad-free videos, background play, and offline downloads. The family plan, introduced in 2025, allows up to 6 people to share one account for a discounted price. Perfect for households. Before we jump in, make sure you have an active YouTube Premium subscription. If not, head over to the YouTube app or website and sign up. Now, let's get to the steps. Start by opening the YouTube app on your phone or going to youtube.com on your computer. Log into your account, the one with the premium subscription. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings or Membership. Depending on your device, it might say YouTube Premium directly. Once you're in the settings, look for the Family and Sharing section. This is a new feature in 2025 that makes everything more intuitive. In the Family section, you'll see an option to Manage Family Plan. Click that, and it will prompt you to add members. You can invite up to 5 additional people by entering their email addresses. Make sure these emails are linked to Google accounts, as that's required for verification. After sending the invitations, your family members will receive an email with a link to accept. They'll need to click it and follow the prompts to join your plan. Once they accept, they'll be added automatically, and you can start enjoying shared benefits like personalized recommendations across accounts. One cool update in 2025 is the ability to set parental controls right from this menu, so you can ensure kids only access age-appropriate content. That's a game changer for families. And there you have it. You're all set to share YouTube Premium with your family. This not only saves money but also makes streaming more fun for everyone. If you run into any issues, check the YouTube Help Center for the latest guides. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.